A detailed explanation to the transactions page in Aqar 7, including how to add and organize communications, appointments, and offers. Upon accessing the transactions page, you'll see the following interface, where you can view your schedule and notes with clients, including planning contact, appointment, and offer. You can search for any transaction by its type, property name, client name, amount, notes, or date. You can view transactions within a specific time period by clicking the Select a Time Period button, then choosing the desired date or time range and pressing Apply. This will display your transactions for the selected period. You can view detailed information by double-clicking on any transaction, which will open a window with all the details. To edit the information, click the Edit button, make the necessary changes, and then click Submit. You can delete any transaction by clicking on it once, then clicking the trash icon, then select Delete. You can also download your transaction history by clicking the Export button. After that, open the file to view all your transactions. You will also receive regular notifications when a transaction in your schedule is approaching or due. By clicking on the Notifications button, all upcoming transactions will be displayed. You can also adjust the notification deadlines by clicking on the Settings button, then selecting the number of days before the transaction deadline to receive a notification. After that, click the Update button. Now, let's move on to how to add and schedule transactions. To schedule a transaction, click on the Add button, and the following window will appear. The fields marked with a red asterisk are mandatory, while the others are optional. First, select the type of transaction, which can be either a contact, an appointment, or an offer. Note, when selecting the transaction type as an offer, a new field will appear to add the offer amount, as shown. Select a property from the available options for which you would like to schedule a contact. If the property name is not saved in your system previously, you can go back to the home page and register it, then save it in the way mentioned earlier. Then select a client from the ones already registered in your system. Note, if the client's name is not saved in your system, you can click the plus sign, then click Add New Row, enter the client's information, click Submit, and then return to the previous page to find the new client's name added to the list. Then, write any notes you want, and select the date or time period for the transaction. You plan to make the contact. Select a future date. If you want to enter information about a contact you have already made and completed, select a past date. Then click on Submit. To display the transaction in the record as follows. Don't forget to watch video number 4, explanation of the payments page in the Aqar 7 platform.